Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add a link to your Threads profile. So it's pretty simple. First of all, of course, you need a link which you want to add to your Threads. So I'm just going to go to TikTok and I'm just going to copy my profile link. And then I'm going to go ahead to Threads. And then basically you just click edit profile. And as you can see, there's a link here. You can also import a link from Instagram if you already have it on Instagram and you want it to have on Threads. So I'm just going to paste it here, click done, and after that, again, done. And here it is, the link to my TikTok on my Threads profile. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's how you add a link to your Threads profile. And if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.